Hello dear friends, today I draw an apple from number 5. At first we draw the number 5. After I draw the letter C and connect the line. After draw
Subscribe now
another
and
curved
press the
line
bell icon.
and connect
Never
them.
miss an update.
After I draw the letter O and connect the line. Now I draw two curved line and complete the apple lips. So dear viewers, at last we draw our nice and easy apple drawing video. So dear viewers, if you are new viewers in our YouTube channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel and like, comment and share this video. Thanks for watching.